Alright, hello YouTubers again. This will be part 6 to the BSP series of the level design series. And in the last video we talked about subtractives and what they can do and what they're useful for. And one thing I want to tell you about subtractives is unlike additive BSPs, subtractives can be overlapped as much as they want. So I can go like this, and even though that my two subtractive BSPs are overlapping with each other, that's okay. It won't take any effect to the performance of your game, but at least not significantly. But overlapping, say, something like that, not good. I can even show you this. If I go here and show FPS, it's about 70 right now. That's because I'm recording in 2K. But if I go like this, oh, I guess it didn't really do much of an effect. At least not right now. But if I went to press play and I had a bunch of these overlapped in my level, it would cause some problems. It might be okay with one, but I still don't recommend it. Try to refrain from overlapping additive BSPs with other additive BSPs. And that's also why I wanted you to stick to a grid of 50. The first thing I'm going to do before I add some stairs here is I'm just going to lower my floor 100, and you might be wondering why. But I'm actually going to lower this 50 for now too. And the reason I'm doing this is because having my square textures line up like this bothers me. So I'm just going to go to Shift 4 to enter brush editing mode. And I'm just going to move my box up. And then I'm going to go underneath it and just select the bottom face and move it up like that. And then I'm going to select my floor, and I'll just move it back up to where it was. So, now that our squares are figured out, let's add some stairs. So if we go to Place Actors window, and you find Linear Stair, we can drag out some linear stairs. And you'll notice they always do this, where they go underneath. So we can just go to grid size of 10 and move it up 2. And now I'm just going to go back to 50 because I like it there. And I'm just going to rotate, hitting E, rotate it on the Z axis so it's facing your building now. You can also see that where we want it to line up is about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stairs. So we currently have 10 steps. We want 5. Oh, it moved back down. Go back to 10, move it up. Okay. So we're about 250 away from our door. I'm just going to select this and move it out 250. So we have a little balcony. And then if you Shift 1, I'm just going to move that so it's not inside it so much. It's okay if it's inside it. Yeah, we'll just leave it like that. So we have some stairs now, and I'm just going to end it there. And in the next video we can add some, maybe we'll add some railings and apply some textures to it. Make sure to save your project, by the way. I don't think I've done that throughout the whole tutorial series, so do that often. I'm not setting a good example by not doing that yet. Have a good night.